Hey guys, I'm Tanya Curren, the Scaly mom here at Scaly Adventures. Now, you know we love talking to you about survival gear, taking care of yourself when you go out on trips. So I wanted to do something cool while we were filming with Smoky Mountain Llama Treks today. So you might not always have a llama with you. This is a cool experience for us. But if you ever do, or if you have your own backpack, it's very important that you pack the proper gear when you go on your adventures in the woods, okay? So right here in this llama pack, we put a few things in here I wanted to show you. Here's an example of a portable stove, a little collapsible stove that has fuel tablets in it. This is so that you can make hot water, cook your food at night by the campfire. This is very important, having a hydration pack. So this little hydration backpack is very important. We actually met a hiker today who was hiking up here in the mountains and didn't have enough water, and he'd been hiking for 8 miles and was really thirsty. So always have enough water with you. An example of another one is this right here. You can actually unzip this. Oh, Oscar's making some noises for us. He wants to be on camera too. I don't blame him. This is a little water bottle that you can take with you, and so that's important to have in your backpack. And another good thing to always have when you're going out into the woods on your adventures is a first aid kit. So you can pack into something compact like this, but Band-Aids and all kinds of little first aid things, because you never know if you get scratches or need to fix something while you're out in the woods. So whether or not you have a llama with a llama pack or your own backpack, make sure that you are prepared and you are safe when you're going on your adventures. So for more educational spots like these, stay tuned to scalyadventures.com, and me and Oscar and our friends will see you there. Bye.